Hi, and welcome to zipBoard. This video is dedicated for project managers to help you navigate through the platform. First things first, you need to sign up to zipBoard to create an account. If you have your existing account, you can simply log in. After that, you will get redirected to your project dashboard. This is how you can create a project. You can simply click this button, then click on Save. You may start adding your digital assets in here for them to review. If you'd like to add content, you may simply click this button or this part. Let's try adding a PDF. Let's choose a file. Now the file is ready, but the main purpose of this one is for us to share this to our stakeholders such as collaborators, guest reviewers and guest collaborators, and clients. Project managers may opt to include additional stakeholders such as team members or what we call collaborators, managers, and clients in a review process. You can simply click this collaborators tab, add your collaborators in here by typing their email addresses, simply send the invite via email. If you would like to add a client, you can simply click this button in here. Again, you may add the email addresses, multiple, all at once, the same process with how you will add your collaborators. You can share an asset by clicking the share button, and then you can set permissions with this one. Please visit our help article to know more about the different permissions when sharing links. You can type the email address. You can select from the collaborators if you have any existing. Same with clients. If you would like to manage your shared links, such as deleting those, feel free to go in right here. Let us say, for example, our clients and guest collaborators and guest reviewers are done sharing their part. You will see their comments here in the external feedback. And from here, you can triage, you can prioritize the urgent ones, you can sort them by relevance and impact on your project. You can do this by clicking this Add as Task button, and you can click on Yes. Once you're done with that, you can access your task in this task list. You can assign this to someone and set other permissions in here. Now, project managers and admins have access to comprehensive project reports for monitoring and analysis purposes. You can do on a project level by clicking this, or you can do on the overall reporting by clicking this button. And there you have it. This is just an iterative process. If you want to review again, you can follow the same steps just like what we did at the very beginning. Thank you.